These Yulejo wire shelf label holders offer a generous pack of 300 clear clips and matching paper inserts, making them well suited for large storage rooms, retail aisles, or home organizing projects where consistency matters. The clear PVC plastic feels sturdy and resilient in daily use, so the tags do not crack easily and can be reused whenever you need to rearrange shelves. Their size is designed to fit standard 1 1/4 inch wire shelving, so they sit neatly on the front of the shelf without wobbling or blocking the items behind them. Writing on the included paper inserts and snapping the holder onto the wire takes only a moment, which helps speed up labeling when you are handling many products at once. Because the plastic is transparent and the profile is low, the printed information stays easy to read from a distance while still looking clean and professional. They adapt well to many environments, from pantry and garage racks at home to bookstore, supermarket, and restaurant shelving, so one box can cover many different labeling needs.